I would like to believe that in my 20 years, almost 20 years in the Senate, I have conducted myself with respect towards my colleagues regardless of political differences. Mr. President, today, a public statement was made by our colleague, Senator Ping Lacson, which was also posted in his YouTube page, suggesting that my vehicle was used to assist Senator De La Rosa in entering the Senate premises, which I quote, "Ang pagkakaalam ko, at least silang dalawa lang mag-ate, Cayetanos, ang nakakaalam tungkol kay Bato na darating. Dahil ang pagkakaalam ko, nakasakay si Bato sa kotse ni Senator Pia." Sinabi man niya na sa pagkakaalam niya, ang katanungan ko po, Mr. President, nag-abala ba kayo mag-double check? Bago niyo yan sinabi sa public. Because despite that qualification, the statement was publicly conveyed in a manner that created the impression that I was directly involved in facilitating Senator De La Rosa's entry into the Senate premises. Again, okay lang po sa akin na nakarating siya dito. Wala ho akong problema doon. Let me state this clearly and unequivocally. That statement is false. Senator De La Rosa did not ride in my vehicle, nor did I have anything to do with facilitating his presence in the Senate last Monday.
I want to put it on record that I sincerely apologize to our distinguished colleague, Senator Pia Cayetano. That information was relayed to me by a fairly reliable source, no? And if that was a mistake, then I sincerely apologize. I thought I made a public statement because I thought it was just a very not really a serious matter, but because maski saan sumakay si Senator Bato, as everybody would agree, it is of no moment. No? Sa amin siguro, kung malaman namin kay Senator Ligardo pa nakasakay, baka doon pa kami magkaroon ng issue. Pero maski kanino pa siyang nakasakay na sasakyan, lalo na from the majority, sa tingin ko wala naman pong problema, walang issue. Kaya parang isip ko, okay lang yung i-share ko yung information that I received from, ang sabi ko, from a fairly reliable source. Now, if it is false, then, or even if it is not false, then I sincerely apologize, Mr. President.